back here in our project. To this video, we're going to fix the window switch. This one, guys, this one is not working. This one is working, this one is working, this one is working. So we'll try to fix this one. There is an available aftermarket, but we'll see if we could fix it first. Let's do it. I assume the problem is the switch is worn out. Looks like the spring is still intact, guys. I think only the contact is problem hole. So far I didn't see any burn parts here at the back. I will just try to add a little layer here, guys, like what I did to Kia Sorento. We have to trim. Now we're gonna put it back. We put it back together, guys. It's time for testing. Still won't work. Now we have to check the fuse. Fuse is good. Now we have to go deeper. I assume they did open it already before. This one is not sticking anymore. I put 12 volts directly to the window motor. The window motor is working. I'll show you guys, but I have to be careful not to get a short circuit. Window is moving down. Look at that. Now I have to reverse the connection so that it will go up. Now we have to test if there is a power coming in from the switch going to the motor. I notice as if that there's no power coming through from the switch going to the motor. I think I will just gamble to buy a new switch because it's not that expensive anyway. We have a parts just came in today. This is the parts. Let's go and install. So guys, we fix our window. The problem is just a master switch. I'll show you quick. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.